Hi everyone, my name is Tony Bow and I am the Career Success Project Coordinator within the Co-op and Career Center, and you're here with me with Talks with Tony, where I'm going to answer the most frequently asked questions about work study. All right, so the first question is, can I work at the Kiel or Glendon if I am a Markham student and vice versa? So the answer is yes. Students across all of our three campuses are welcome to apply and work at any of our three campuses. However, for international students, if you are a Kiel or Glendon student and would like to work at Markham, please note that the Markham campus is considered as off campus and vice versa. For more information, I would encourage you to consult with an international student advisor within New York International. All right, so the second question is, can I apply if I have minimal work experience? Yes, all students are encouraged to apply to any of our work study positions. The program is designed to provide students with an opportunity to develop career skills. However, it is best for students to get guidance and support from our wonderful colleagues within the Copeland Career Center to have your resume and your cover letter reviewed and polished before applying and submitting an application. So another question we tend to get is, can I do work study while being in a co-op term? If you are beginning a co-op work term and you are hired to a work study position, then work study rules require you to submit a formal petitions for what we call a co-op consideration. Students are required to seek appropriate permissions from their work study hiring managers and respective co-op office and submit a petitions to the work study petitions committee for review. Decisions on co-op eligibility will be made after the work study petitions committee reviews each individual case. That jeopardize my eligibility? The answer is yes, you can. For both domestic and international students, if you drop your courses below the minimum threshold, then you all will be ineligible to participate in the program. In addition, for our international students, if you do not have a valid study permit with work authorization remarks, or your study permit is expired within the employment period, then you have not submitted to us a new renewal application, then you're also ineligible to participate in the program. What is the typical rate of pay? All work study positions are evaluated by our human resources based on a 3-band tier. Each job is evaluated based on the qualifications, experience, duties, and knowledge. The more specific and technical the requirements and duties are, the higher the band will be. So compensation can be between minimum wage to $18 an hour for band 1 positions, $17.75 to $19.50 per hour for band 2 positions, and $19 to $24.50 per hour for band 3 positions. How will my classes be accommodated? So hiring units are required to accommodate students' school schedules. If hired into a role, students will work with their hiring managers to draft a work schedule around their school schedules. Hiring managers are required to be as flexible as possible when scheduling working shifts, as the primary commitment is school. So they are aware and they will work with you to ensure that your school schedule is accommodated.